Imagine you are sitting in a bustling courtroom, perhaps for the first time, with a knot of anticipation forming in your stomach. As the clerk prepares to call cases, you might wonder, what is the secret to their system? Will they start with A? Will they go by case number? It is a common question, and understanding the process can ease a lot of that initial worry. Court cases are generally called in an order that prioritizes efficiency and legal urgency, rather than a simple alphabetical or numerical sequence. This means the court looks at a variety of factors to decide when each case gets its moment before the judge, and this can vary significantly depending on the type of court and the judge managing the calendar. The primary reason for this dynamic order is to manage the court's busy schedule effectively. Judges often have many cases to hear in a single day. Cases that might settle quickly, such as traffic tickets where someone pleads guilty, or cases involving individuals who have been in custody for an extended period, are often prioritized. Urgent matters, like temporary restraining orders, might also be heard first to address immediate safety concerns. Additionally, if an attorney has several cases on the same day, a judge might accommodate their schedule by calling those cases together or at specific times to avoid unnecessary delays. To navigate this process smoothly, it is helpful to arrive early on your court date, giving yourself time to listen carefully and observe. Many courts now provide online access to their daily docket or calendar, which lists the cases scheduled for that day and often indicates an approximate order. You can also discreetly check with the court clerk upon arrival if you are unsure, but remember they are often very busy. Once in the courtroom, listen carefully for your name or case number to be called, and be ready to approach the front. Judges have considerable discretion in how they organize their dockets. They might use a first call at the start of the session to check which parties are present and ready, and then a second call to proceed with the actual hearings. Sometimes, cases that requiring more extensive discussion or trial are intentionally placed later in the day, allowing smaller, quicker matters to be resolved first. Understanding that the court's calendar, often referred to as the docket, is a living, breathing schedule helps demystify the process. By understanding that the calling order is a strategic decision based on legal priorities and logistical efficiency, you can better prepare for your court appearance. Staying informed, arriving on time, and being attentive are your best tools for a less stressful and more predictable experience in the courtroom, ensuring you are ready when it is your turn to speak.